Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Welcome to Disney News Jam. Hi everyone, and welcome back to your weekly happy place. And happy birthday, Maria. If you're new here, please subscribe, ring the bell to be notified every time the show drops, and hit that like button if you love Disney. A special shout out to all of our group members of Disney Cruising Australia and Australians Travelling to Disney on Facebook. You can also catch us on Instagram at Jam Life Adventures and at DNewsJam. Also, we have a new merchandise store, and I'll put a link below if you want to check it out. All purchases of the quality products in the store will help us bring the magic of Disney to you every week. On this week's show, Horizon's Disney Experience Showcase at D23 Disney Fan Event. Disney Treasure Construction Update. We'll tell you what flights to Disneyland and Disney World cost this week, and when you get there, what ground transport to use. Maria is here for your weekly Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks. And this week, it's all about decoding the maritime flag signs aboard Disney Cruise Line. Our Aristocats themed lounge is coming to the Disney Treasure. A new Disney cruise ship to give Japan year-round cruise vacations. It's another jam-packed show, so let's get into it. Get ready for 3 days jam-packed full of Disney magic with the return of D23, the ultimate Disney fan event. And we're less than 1 month away from the big event. And to kick things into high gear, D23 revealed the lineup of every panel, presentation, and offering guests can experience across the Anaheim Convention Center. The one we're most interested in, of course, is Horizon's Disney Experience Showcase. And this will take place on Saturday, August 10th at the Honda Center. Josh D'Amaro will welcome fans as he takes the stage with surprise stars and special guests for a live celebration of the music and creativity that power Disney stories, and of course, news and updates about projects in development around the world. The future is bright for Disney, we all know this at the moment. Experiences and this can't miss showcase will show fans what's on the horizon and beyond. More details about the event can be seen on Disney Parks blog, and we'll put a link below if you want to go and check that out. And of course, we'll have all the news coming out of this event as soon as it breaks right here on Disney News Jam. We had a construction update on the Treasure this week, and this is what Disney had to say about it. Greetings from Papenburg, Germany at Meyer Werft Shipyard, where the upper decks of the Disney Treasure are quickly becoming a destination for future family adventures. As you can see, construction is well underway on decks 11 and 12. The latest progress photo shows how the foundations for one of the 6 different pools have been inlaid into an elevated platform. Overhead, the forward funnel is awaiting the installation of Funnel Vision, a jumbo LED display that will show countless hours of favorite Disney movies for lounging guests to enjoy. The centrally located Funnel Vision stage is also taking shape, ready to host a variety of performances and onboard activities. Eagle-eyed viewers may catch the tubing for the ship's 760-foot-long Aqua Mouse attraction, which is near completion. Disney Cruise Line's family water attraction at sea will soon wind above the Disney Treasure and debut a brand new show, Curse of the Golden Egg. With so many construction milestones and the near horizon, the team is hard at work to get the Disney Treasure in ship shape ahead of its maiden voyage later this year. And a brand new Guardians of the Galaxy dinner show is debuting at World of Marvel on the Disney Treasure. Following the structural completion milestone of the Disney Treasure in December 2023, the team in Papenburg, Germany has been focused on building out the interior spaces of the ship. The work includes preparations to bring Disney Cruise Line's immersive Marvel-themed dining experience, World of Marvel, to the Disney Treasure. In light of the progress being made, you are one of the first to learn about the Guardians of the Galaxy dinner show coming to Worlds of Marvel on the Disney Treasure. Titled Marvel Celebration of Heroes, Groot's Remix. The story will follow Groot as he brings guests along for an on-screen quest to throw the ultimate surprise party for his friend Rocket. All the while, diners will eat to the beat of the awesome mix of hit songs and can test their knowledge of the Marvel Universe with trivia for the whole family. The new show will be offered to guests during one of 2 distinct nights at World of Marvel, where they will also experience Avengers Quantum Encounter, which first premiered on the Disney Wish. Right then, this coming Wednesday, flights to LAX and Disneyland come in at $1,683, and flights to Orlando International Airport and Disney World coming at $1,973. These flights are one-way in Australian dollars, and better deals can be had if you book further out. So make sure you book early, and that's flights and accommodation. It does wonders for your anxiety. Also, if you are looking for ground transport after your flight in LA for Disneyland or Orlando for Disney World, please head over to our partner, Western Executive Car Services. Mention our Facebook group, Australians Travelling to Disney, which will guarantee you great service and helps us bring the magic of Disney to our group. We'll put all the details below so you can get in touch with them before you travel to the parks. Let's go over to Maria now for her Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks. And this week she's talking about decoding the nautical flag signs aboard Disney Cruise Line.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to this week's Disney Cruise Tip, decoding the nautical maritime flag signs aboard Disney Cruise Line. If you've sailed on a Disney cruise, you should already know about all the hidden Disney details you'll discover around the ship. So let's talk about a detail some might miss. You might have come across some nautical flag signs, maybe you've walked right past them and didn't take any notice. Or maybe you've seen them around and thought it was all part of the Disney charm. But what do they really say? Let's flag this because I'm about to tell you. Located in the hallways of your staterooms, you might come across a world map inside a large ship wheel and some nautical flags surrounding the top and bottom. This image is from the Disney Wonder cruise ship and simply says Disney Wonder back to front on the top and Disney Wonder across the bottom. This image is from the Disney Fantasy cruise ship and says Disney Fantasy back to front on the top and Disney Fantasy on the bottom. I decoded them by simply following the nautical maritime flag alphabet. Here's an example of one for your reference. Another place where you might encounter some more maritime flags will be at the pool deck on the fence. These say DCL, which stands for Disney Cruise Line. You might even encounter some on Disney Cruise Line's exclusive islands. At least now you'll be able to tell what they say. Have you come across any of these on your sailing? Have you been able to decode what they say? Let us know in the comments down below. And that's it for our Disney Cruise Line tip for this week. Now it's over to you, John.
Thank you for that, birthday girl. And the Wonder returns 18th of October this year, and we'll be on board. We are so excited to take you on that journey with us. That's right, this year we are cruising from Hawaii down to Sydney on the Disney Wonder and also staying 5 nights in Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa. We'll be vlogging every day of it on Jam Life Adventures on YouTube and ship and resort tours and merchandise tours right here on Disney News Jam, and also live streams to Disney Cruising Australia and Disney News Jam. We can't wait to share it all with you and give you all the info and tips and tricks you need to Disney cruise this season. Calling all cat lovers and Disney animation fans, this announcement is for you. A brand new lounge theme to the 1970 Walt Disney Animation Studios classic, the Aristocats, is marked to open on board the Disney Treasure when it sets sail this December. Named for everyone's favorite music-loving feline from the film Scat Cat Lounge, will bring the groovy penthouse performance of Everybody Wants to Be a Cat into the real world for the first time. Plans for the venue to combine the elegance of an old school jazz club with artistic references to the Aristocats. The venue plans to combine the elegance of an old school jazz club with the artistic references of the Aristocats. Here are some of the details revealed by Disney. Number 1, a familiar looking carpet. Fans of the Aristocats may recognize the carpet inside the Scat Cat Lounge, inspired by the ornate French-style rugs scattered throughout Madame Adelaide's swanky Parisian home. Number 2, caution, wet paint. The playful scene from the Aristocats film when Toulouse mischievously left his paint-covered paw mark on the piano will be represented in Scat Cat Lounge with colourful prints decorating the piano. Number 3, inspired by Agrabah. Centrally located off the Grand Hall, Scat Cat Lounge will take design cues from the Grand Hall's Agrabah-inspired architecture with a contemporary colour palette and Middle Eastern decor that will blend seamlessly with the storied theming of the venue. Number 4, double delicious craft cocktails. Scat Cat Lounge will serve a special menu of cocktails that celebrate the Aristocats, including Creme de la Creme Martini and the Cat Drink. Number 5, the Cats Go Marching. A parade of silhouetted cats, all representing characters from the film, will welcome guests to Scat Cat Lounge at the entry and lead the way into the venue. Number 6, Scat Cat's Horn. The Aristocats theming will begin at the front door of the lounge with a sculptured handle that resembles Scat Cat's signature instrument. Number 7, hidden characters. Hidden Mickeys may be a hallmark of any Walt Disney Imagineering design, but at the Scat Cat Lounge, hidden depictions of Roquefort, the devoted mouse companion of the Duchess and her kittens, will reign. Number 8, an ode to music. A black and white striped statement wall will extend through the center of the venue, framing a groovy neon sign with the lyrics "Everybody wants to be a cat." Reminiscent of piano keys, the wall will honor the important role of that music played throughout the film. Number 9, the cats behind the magic. At first glance, the funky poster that will hang outside the Scat Cat Lounge may not draw too much attention. However, the instrument playing cat collage will have a secret. Each cat depicted in the artwork will be drawn in the image of a beloved pet belonging to someone from the project team that helped design and build Scat Cat Lounge. With 3 more ships on the horizon and new destinations to explore, Disney cruise fans have a lot to be excited about these days. We sure do. And now there's even more to look forward to. This week, Disney announced a new agreement with the Oriental Land Co. Limited, or the OLC, that will bring year-round Disney cruise vacations to Japan. You heard it right, another ship. Under a recently signed agreement, OLC will build and operate a Disney-branded cruise business in Japan, expected to begin by early 2029. This is the latest evolution in Disney's over 40-year relationship with OLC, which owns and operates the magical Tokyo Disney Resort. A new Disney cruise ship to be registered and based in Japan year-round will be constructed at Meyer Werft Shipyard in Papenburg, Germany, with imaginative designs created by Walt Disney Imagineering, a sister ship to the popular Disney Wish. It will feature many guest favorite venues and experiences from that ship with selected modifications especially designed with Japanese guests in mind. It is expected to be approximately 140,000 gross tons and powered by liquid-fueled natural gas, with about 1,250 staterooms. The addition of a locally based Disney cruise ship will offer fun and relaxation for Japanese Disney fans during magical voyages filled with the incredible entertainment, world-class dining, and exceptional guest services that set Disney cruises apart. We are so excited to see this new Disney vacation experience come to life in 2029. More details about the maiden voyage, itineraries, and onboard experiences will be announced at a later date. And as soon as we see any further details, you know we'll bring them straight to you on Disney News Jam. And that's it for today's show. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. Marie will be back soon with Disney merchandise and fashion top 10. And until then, don't forget to spread the jam.